guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. And guess what? We are at Summit Racing and I just got this installed on the car, the Dynomax Race Bullet Muffler, and we're back for a second one. Hey, like I said, I think I'm gonna need the second one, so we're back here. Check it out. It's a pretty big facility, but I'm gonna go in real quick, pick up the muffler, and then I think I'm probably gonna end up heading to the muffler shop after this. If I don't, then it might be another day, but I think I'll be able to make it, so depending on how my schedule is looking like. But yeah, we're gonna go in real quick, so I'll bring you guys in with me, and we might walk around and look at some few stuff. Hey, how are you doing? Okay, so this is Summit Racing. So the last time I was in here, there was like barely anyone, but now there's like a line, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit. All right, guys, just picked up the muffler right here. I want to show you guys some cool stuff here while we're here before we head out, but mostly it's their exhausts and headers, and they've got some pretty cool stuff here. Okay, let me show you real quick. Got some boiler mufflers here. Jeez, look at these piping. That is humongous. Anyways, that's crazy. You got some shorty headers right here. These are cool. Wow. It's crazy how like a lot of mufflers have like really like a lot of different engineering that goes on with them. Like for example, this one right here, it's got like different like layers in there, which is pretty cool. Got some motors right here. Pretty sure these, well, I'm not sure if these were used, but they are on display. Let's see. Suspension stuff right here. You got more headers right here. Look at these headers. Wow. That's cool. Got some Dynomax mufflers here. Ooh, this is the same muffler, guys, I got, except this is like a longer version. And you could also go this route on the resonator section of the car, because it's long enough to fit this on the resonator section. So if I had probably gotten one of these, I probably wouldn't need to get two of the minis, but price-wise, it's cheaper to get two of the minis versus this, because this is going for $62, and the minis I was able to price match them for $20. So hey, it's a steal. That's 40 bucks compared to 60 bucks. But again, thinking about it, it's probably cost efficient by just going once to the muffler shop than paying twice going there. So I just thought about that. Yeah, we're gonna head out real quick, head to the muffler shop. Don't want to waste too much time here. Guys, you just have to park in a parking spot where there's no one really around you. I do this sometimes. You don't have to always do it. It's just a pain. But other cars are over there and we're over here. There's the muffler over there, and you guys are gonna see exactly what we're gonna be doing down there, so stay tuned for that. I was lucky to get in here like that, because right when I got here, a truck was done and I just pulled right in, so I didn't have to wait or anything like that. So we'll be getting this done today in this video. Guys, I think this is gonna be it. This is definitely gonna be it. I mean, the amount of research I did, most mufflers do cause a lot of drone. I noticed someone commented they used a cherry bomb muffler and it solved that problem. Yes, that's gonna solve it, but with that muffler, it's really gonna tame the car down a lot, and it's gonna cause drone from the research I have done. It might have worked for them, but it's probably gonna tame down the volume of the car, and that's not what I'm going for. I'm going for specific details. That's why what I chose was the right move. Again, I said in the last few videos, and I'm just going over it again in case you guys haven't seen the last videos. So if you need more details, go check out the last videos. Yeah, however, it's gonna fit perfectly. I know the hanger is right here.
Yeah.
Will it matter if it's here versus here? Will it change the sound or no?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I don't think so.
It looks like this is probably the easiest section, right? Or you're the master, so you do your thing.
Yeah, it's working. I think it's working right here.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I want to put it like right here. Because I need a welding like to the same welding, because I don't want to weld it here, weld it here, and weld it right there, you know. I'm good.
Guys, you see these guys right here? They will take care of you. They will take care of you. See, he didn't want to weld it right here, right here, right here. He wants to keep it clean.
This is for when you're taking some water. I don't want to like look like rusty, you know.
Yeah.
Like the same like that one. He's like that. This is like exactly for that one.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So guys, that if you spray it on there, it's not gonna turn up like that.
Exactly.
It's gonna keep fresh, just like the way it's looking right now. That's awesome. I've never seen an exhaust shop do that before, so I think that's really cool. Guys, I'm telling you, this shop right here, come get your exhaust stuff done here. Well, that's if you live in Atlanta. Oh, heck yeah. Get a few revs in. Oh yeah, that sounds good. All right, we only got one rev in, but heck yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, they like it. So we're just gonna go on a drive and see how it sounds like. I've already driven out of the shop and it sounds really good. The rasp is completely like refined. Like it's not as, you know, really high pitched anymore. But let's do a few, you know, pulls here and there, and you guys can hear how it sounds like. It sounds really, really good, guys. It's very refined. There are a lot of cars on this road, but we'll see if we can get some good pulls in. So the second thing is the pops and bangs are still sounding really good. I definitely think it's more refined, and it sounds more deeper than what would you call it, high pitched. I mean, some pops are high pitched, some pops are deeper, and I like the deeper pops, like in between a deep and a high pitch pop. So it's right on where I want it to be. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this setup. I'm pretty happy. The only thing I would want is a loud, not obnoxious, but like a pretty good decent startup on a warm start, but there's nothing I can really do about that when you add in back modifications to an exhaust that's already loud and you're trying to tame it down a little bit. But when you get on it, it screams, it talks to you. You guys hear the pops? Yeah, that sounds good. We're at 2,000 RPMs, and listen to it. Yeah, that's awesome. That is awesome. Okay, that was nasty. The other thing too is, over time, I'm not sure how the sound is going to change, so that could be another factor, so who knows. But I love it, guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and stop the video for now, and I'll catch you guys right when I get home. Alright guys, I just got home. Check this dude out. You guys haven't seen him in a while. Logan, come here. Look at him. Yeah, he's a lot bigger than the last time you guys saw him. Anyways, I just got back home. Looks like it's gonna pour. It is pretty dark outside. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's starting to rain. But just wanted to give you guys more input on the drive back home. And man, gosh, I love it so much. Just saying, yeah, this, whoo, guys, it's the perfect setup. I freaking love it. It's completely different than what it sounds like. It's very refined. It's its own sound, to be honest. Like, I don't even know how to describe it, but it sounds really, really, really good. I would say a combination of a Corvette and a Dodge Charger or Dodge Demon. But yeah, it's crazy, guys. It's aggressive. I love how the car sounds. When I'm on low RPMs, it's just got this aggressive like grunt to it, this deep grunt to it. And then when I step on it, whoo, it just screams. You can hear that really, really refined rasp that comes out of the headers, and it's amazing. It's amazing. Yeah, this tire, I'm still amazed at like how it looks in general. I haven't seen my tires look like this before. And it's not brake dust, I don't think so. It's starting to pour harder. So yeah, it's getting worse. I'm just gonna stand in here. I'll do more POV videos so you can get a glimpse of how the car sounds just from videos and POV drives. Other than that, again, camera doesn't do justice. It's rather in person that you really get to hear the true sound of this car, and it's amazing. Perfect formula, to be honest. Like, I posted on my Instagram that I was getting this put on, and I think his Instagram is he's got a C32, but his Instagram name is C32. If you watch the videos, I'm giving you a shout out. You guys can go check out his Instagram. He's got a 6 C32. It's crazy. His build is crazy. But he was saying he's got the same muffler on the car, and it's amazing. He loves it. So if you guys are really looking to get your exhaust really refined, but not like quiet, and still keep it loud, in a refined and aggressive way, then this is the way to go. So there you have it, guys. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Look at this guy. He's just sitting and watching. He's on guard.